Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today, this morning, I thought, you know what? After reading a lot of things from the internet, let me share with you the things that I saw and that made me laugh yesterday evening. And I'm still laughing because what? And I'm happy that people are seeing things like this with the Senzo Meyiwa case. But before we get into doing that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you are supporting the channel financially and in numbers. And thank you so much for supporting this channel. Guys, engagement is key on the YouTube streets. So please make sure you engage. Your like is very important. Your subscription is very important. Your everything, Jay. Engage your comment, your sharing, Alice. It's very important. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. Do that for me, please. Now, I want to share the comment section here about Twitter from yesterday's happenings. I won't lie, Shep. I love it. 17 hours ago, someone said, do what? Deluge of letters will assist, especially from people in the field. I played my part by sending my massive at OCJ RSA today already, hashtag Senzo Meyiwa trial. How seriously they take it will depend on public interest or outcry. Here is the letter. It says, I don't think that's the entire letter though. Attention, Judge President of the Gauteng Division of High Courts, Dustin Mlambo, to General Office, Pretoria at Judicial. And then it was sent at 13:35, I suppose, yesterday, the 22nd. Dear Office of the Judge President in the Gauteng Division of the High Court, Dustin Mlambo, request for intervention in recall of DNA expert witness in the Senzo Meyiwa trial sitting in Pretoria, presided by the venerable retired High Court Judge Rata Mokgoatlheng. It is evident that the lead investigation officer witness, Brigadier Bongani Nicholas Geninda, lead state prosecutor advocate George Baloyi, and Judge Judge Rata Mokgoatlheng have the wrong interpretation of the DNA. I don't have the entire letter because now it was just an attachment. Let me see if the comment section of this have that letter. Let me see. Maybe he posted. Okay, no, he did not post the entire letter. But there is a letter that was sent regarding that because people were shocked that people with degrees are unable to interpret a DNA. So it was sent by someone. Yeah. And then someone else 11 hours ago said, we corroborated the confessions. We took money, no corroboration. We called sister, no corroboration. We got money, no corroboration. We had watchers, no corroboration. Kani waited in the car, no corroboration. Carlos shot Senzo, no corroboration. Guys, South Africa is something else. And then someone else says, it was not a contractual killing. All the evidence that has been presented by Brigadier Geninda and his team is irrelevant, and the state should discard it because it has been built on the wrong foundations. That was what Munisi said. Now, or someone else also says, now it makes sense why they planted guns and ammunition to arrest, then investigate its methodology. And then someone, when at this one, this person is a master of wow comedy for me. It is isithombe sakho uzisola why ukhiphe i-tracker ku-red ball. Oh, and we are flabbergasted. Yo, Twitter. And then Uti Kininda, my lord, I was honest. And in so far, me, whoa, woka. And then someone else says, advocate is right, isikolo siyangena, and when advocate Baloyi azange ngangwaba nawe. Nisi was on another level yesterday, guys. Someone is asking, how did we get to these embarrassing situations? Brigadier Bongan Kininda, after the meeting on the 26th January 2020, he prepared a memorandum to the NPA that included Kelly Kumalo to be arrested for the murder of Senzo Biyiwa. Yes. Yo. Someone else says, what Missy did has a potential of ending many people's careers. Trust me, someone will regret choosing to get 636 stroke 10 stroke 2014. I hope nothing bad happened to Advocate Miss after exposing some high-ranking people. And then someone says, with a picture of Missy and Baloyi, says, checkmate, Advocate Baloyi, you've been caught out by silent assassin, Advocate Missy. And then someone else says, Baloyi must save whatever is left of his career because he really fumbled with this case. Pagama 375, Sunday. And then someone says, Advocate Nisi went through the indictment in court today with Brigadier Bongan Kininda asking him where is a charge that indicates contractual killing. There was none. And then someone says, when Baloyi stood up and said they acted in common purpose, just thought, shame, it was said to witness. Someone says, Advocate Nisi, the gorilla, hallelujah. And then someone says, when the witness is cornered, Baloyi objects and the judge, seeing there is no way out for the witness, becomes a bully and throws tantrums. Yeah? And someone says Kelly has a transparent bag of money in her phone. I choose number 3, same pig. I choose number 5, same pig Longwe. Same pig Longwe is in rehab. Somewhere someone is linked with Waifakai Makalin Waikapa. Hey. And then someone says, if you go to Timbuktu and compare African male DNA to that found on a head worn by Tumelo Madlala on that fateful Sunday, 26 October 2014, you are going to find match regions. This impasse necessitates recall of a DNA witness. Yeah, so that's what people are saying. People are like, what the hell? What the hell? Where are we here? Why are we dealing with such? What on earth? And then Mnisi exposed the courts, NPA, SEPs, and some individuals. All lies will be exposed. That's it. And then someone says, Kininda is unable to explain why Kelly hasn't been arrested, whom he said is the mastermind. And then someone says, thank you, Mnisi, for exposing the dirty secrets. We now know that it was Baloyi and others who refused to arrest Kelly Khumalo. The key question is why? Someone says, dear, I choose number 1. It was a great choice to nominate Advocate Mnisi. Lawyers are supposed to fight wholeheartedly. And then someone says, the spirit of the late Dlakatla is upon Mnisi. Let it rain. Omunye, I will keep on flogging until the horse comes alive, and Advocate Mnisi said so. And then, Kesana, it's a pity I can't show you. Look at this, guys. This is the time when Mnisi was asking to adjourn early, and then look at what the judge is doing. Did you see that? Did you see? I call Baloyi to the stand. Actually, at this point, that's where we need to go. Someone says Patriot Mnisi is sick and Gomezulu started like this. And then someone says, did the judge just wink at the witness or the prosecutor when Advocate Mnisi asked for early adjournment due to tiredness? Due to tiredness, is this procedural? Is this how judges conduct themselves in the court of law? And then Omunye, this case has exposed so many things with the right connections and deep pocket plus fame. The law can bend over backwards for you. Prison was built for the poor and uneducated fools. Of course, there's always an exception for rapists and murderers. Advocate Missy, I'm done, my lord. Would you know? Yeah, I heard that sigh. And then Advocate Missy, right leg number 2. As I was saying, look at these guys. Look at what they're saying. Twitter is merciless. Oh, okay, that's pathetic. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my Advocate Missy, my lord. I won't blow my own trumpet, my lord. It's not my nature. Also, Advocate Missy, in my lord's ears. Boo! Yeah. And then someone says, Advocate Missy flogging horse Gininda until the truth came out. That the case is based on village gossip, PSA, Mabarabare, Amahem there. Sorry, that there is no evidence Kelly hired the 5 I choose. Baloy and Rata must go back to their handlers and let them know that things are getting out of hand. They are. Someone says, Mrs. Coughing is worrying me. Someone else says the failure of justice in Rata's courtroom is a disgrace. The whole judicial system is being exposed for their cover. Yo! And then Omunye, when the judge behaves like this, you know the defense is doing a great job. And then Omunye Uti, Rata and Baloy must be rescued from this case for it, or must be recused from this case for it to see justice. What we are currently witnessing in that courtroom is a live miscarriage of justice. And then the last 2 comments, my favorite one. This is Baloy writing down. And then this one says, Isithombe sakho usaba ukucela itiya uzenza ngathi uyabhala because Advocate Missy is dragging your DPP and the entire fellow dinsas that were involved in the cooking of the evidence. And the same person posted another picture. Look at this. It's 3, 4, and 5. Uthi isithombe sakho siwumndeni, isithombe sethu siwumndeni silinde to hear why was KDK application for warrant of arrest was declined and not authorized. We didn't get the answer because Rata had to jump in and save Gininda. And then someone says the reason the NPA fails to prosecute cases of murder is because they say the motive doesn't matter. With that mindset, it's hard to get the real perpetrator. You just pick the low-hanging fruits and move on. Hence, they end up with wrongful arrest. Someone else says, it is imperative to recall the expert witness if the judge, Rata Mokgotleng, lead investigator Gininda and prosecutor Bale read the report wrong. I hope someone writes to Gauteng Judge President Dustin Mlambo. The more the letters, the more the attrition. Umnisi wemvula bayoze bathi bhuti with that fire emoji. Now, guys, I thought let me share those comments with you. It's from Twitter, and I'm sure there is a lot also on Facebook, but I thought let me go to Twitter today. I'll do another video for the Facebook one because what? The people of South Africa are watching and they are not having it any other way. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I really enjoyed doing this with you. Thank you. Please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. You are watching the videos up until the end, and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you are supporting the channel financially and with numbers. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.